Hi everybody, my name is Camila. I'm the registered dietitian nutritionist here at North Central. Apples are my favorite fall treat. Apples are a nutrient-dense fruit that's high in a lot of vitamins, minerals, and packed with a bunch of fiber. In fact, this apple has about 4 grams of fiber. So today we're going to prepare a McApple smoothie that's not only nutritious, but delicious and fun to make. So the first thing we're going to do is take about 6 cubes of ice cube and put it in the blender. Then we're going to take 1 diced apple. Do you see how we left the skin on to preserve that fiber? We're going to add some cinnamon. Next we're going to add some walnuts. Some milk, about half a cup. We're going to add some graham crackers. And finally, we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. We're going to close this up. And blend until smooth. And then there we go. Open it up and we have a delicious apple and walnut smoothie. It smells really good. And the recipe is linked on the description below. Have a great day, guys.